Today on the bench we have got this water heater which came in for repair. At some point somebody replaced the AC cord. Let's check it on the bench. This outlet is currently in series with a 200 watt bulb. If the heater tries to draw any current, the bulb will glow. The heater is not doing anything. Let's measure the current draw. And nothing. No ampere is being drawn. The circuit is open somewhere. Measuring the resistance between the two terminals of the element. (31 ohms). The heating element is most likely okay. Let's open the base now. The base connector is probably the culprit. As you can see here, one of the connector strip is bent and it has burning residue. This type of high power devices does not like loose connections, but I think I can save this connector. Cleaning thoroughly and making room for the springy strip so it can move freely. Little bit of contact cleaner. This stuff is good for this purpose. The terminals at the kettle does not look bad. Still I am going to clean it. It's okay. Let's measure the resistance at the plug end. 44 ohms. It means high contact resistance given that the heating element is only 31 ohms. The series bulb lights up, good. Let's connect it directly to the main supply and boil some water. It's drawing 7.2 amps from 230 volt supply. So the power is 230 multiplied with 7.2, around 1650 watts. So this water heater works for now. Stay tuned, I'll be back with more videos, and thank you for watching.